Every morning starts with a wagging tail or a gentle purr. That's the life I choose, a life surrounded by animals. Some call it work, but to me, it's love. Healing them, comforting their owners. It's more than a job for me. Every day after the clinic, when I come home, my daughter, my little word of joy, she said, पापा मुझे ये वाली इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर चाहिए. उसने तो एक बार कहा, but I kept thinking about it. I had heard about Revoo, silent, smart, and kind to the environment, just like the world I want her to grow up in. And then I saw it, the A12, titanium black, minimal, modern, and perfect. She was over the moon, jumping, laughing, totally worth it. She's still figuring it out, a little wobbly, but every ride, a new memory. One evening I snuck in a ride. Quiet roads, no noise, just me and the breeze. I hadn't felt that free in years. Now she teases me. Papa, ये तो मेरी स्कूटर है. And I just smile. No petrol, no maintenance headaches, just smooth silent rides. And honestly, it saves me a lot. For her it was a dream, but for me it became a routine, a little ride to recharge, to reconnect. My name is Dr. Haroon. I am a vet doctor, and the Revoo A12, it gave us more than transport. It gave us memories.